After you transfer your YouTube channel to a brand channel, go to your channel dashboard. Remember, to transfer the primary ownership of your YouTube channel, you must first convert your personal YouTube channel to a brand channel. Otherwise, it won't work. Next, click Settings, then click Permissions. After that, click Manage Permissions, then again click Manage Permissions. Now you need to verify your Gmail account to confirm it's really you. After verification, click Manage Permissions again. When this page opens, remember this. Anyone you add as an owner or anyone already added must stay as an owner for at least 7 days before you can transfer primary ownership to them. As you can see, I already have 2 users who have been owners for more than 7 days. To transfer primary ownership, click on the user role, select primary owner, click done. As soon as you click done, the primary ownership of your YouTube channel will be transferred.